पहले हमने बोला चोर मचाए शोर, आज साबित हुआ है कि चोर ने ही मचाया था शोर, क्योंकि उसने ही किया है घोटाला वंस मोर. This is the essence of today's press conference. PM Modi called Finmeccanica, which is a parent company of Augusta Westland, corrupt. And I quote, this is the word of Honorable Prime Minister of our country. Home Minister Shri Amit Shah called Augusta Finmeccanica as bogus company. Ex-Defense Minister Shri Parikarji accused it of bribes and corruption in Parliament. And first, mysteriously, the government of India, under the Prime Ministership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, withdrew blacklisting of Augusta Westland in July 2014 and now lifted procurement ban from Augusta Westland. Before I move ahead, I would like to make 5 truth statements which are having a fact behind these statements. Number first truth. PM Modi and his government lifted procurement ban on Leonardo Spa, which is earlier known as Finmeccanica, which is a parent company of Augusta Westland. Truth number 2 is that PM Modi and his government mysteriously withdraw the blacklisting of Augusta Westland. Truth number 3 is that PM Modi and his government sanctioned the investment by blacklisted firm Augusta Westland through Foreign Investment Promotion Board. This is fact number 3. The fact number 4, which is truth, that PM Modi and his government included blacklisted Augusta Westland as a part of Make in India program and even permitted it to bid for the purchase of 100 helicopters of Indian Navy. जिस कंपनी को प्रधानमंत्री जी करप्ट कह रहे हैं, उसको अलाउ कर दिया कि आओ 100 हेलीकॉप्टर इंडियन नेवी को भी बेचो. And fact number 5, that PM Modi and his government lost all the cases against Augusta Westland in international courts and didn't even file the appeals against these cases. ये संयोग है या प्रयोग, I don't know, कि आप सारे केस हार गए अंतर्राष्ट्रीय न्यायालयों में और आपने उसकी अपील भी नहीं की. These are 5 facts. What the Congress-led UPA government had done, I will give you date-wise. February 2010, under a global tender, a contract to purchase 12 helicopters was allotted to Augusta Westland for rupees 3,546 crore. This was 2010. On 12th February 2013, pursuant to the media reports, the Congress-led UPA government ordered an inquiry, lodged an FIR, and handed the case to CBI. This is what we had done. Only by media reports. 27 February 2013, Congress-led UPA government proposed setting up of a JPC on Augusta Westland, but BJP refused to participate and cooperate. This is also a fact. On 1st January 2014, the Congress-led UPA government cancelled the contract to purchase 12 helicopters. Till that, rupees 1620 crore, 1620 crore had been made to Augusta and 3 helicopters were delivered to Government of India. On cancelling the contract, first of all, the bank guarantee worth rupees 240 crore of Augusta Westland deposited with Indian banks, we revoked that bank guarantee. Second thing what we did, UPA government had also filed a case against Augusta Westland in Milan court in Italy, and on 23rd May, before Modi ji took over the charge, UPA won the case for encashment of international guarantee of Augusta Westland to recover 228 million euros. And I am giving you this order and this particular 228 million details. In this fashion, Congress-led UPA government recovered a total of 2,068 crore from Augusta Westland against the payment of 1620 crore. In addition, the Congress-led UPA government had confiscated, हमने वो 3 हेलीकॉप्टर जब्त कर लिए. We had confiscated 3 Augusta Westland helicopters, which remains in our possession. The contracted value of each helicopter was 295.5 crore. So in total, we confiscated the helicopters worth 886.5 crore rupees. So what thus UPA recovered a total of 2,068 crore from bank guarantee plus 886.5 crore by the confiscation of the 3 helicopters from Augusta Westland against the payment of rupees 1620 crore. Now, on Congress-led UPA government had also initiated the process of blacklisting of Augusta Westland. And I am giving you the details of this. This is the 2013 circular from Ministry of Defense. In this, we had blacklisted Augusta Westland. Then what BJP did? Complicity and connivance of BJP and Modi government with Augusta Westland. And why I am saying that? Because that is also a factual, number one. After coming to power in 2014, in June 2014, what Modi ji did? He took an opinion from Attorney General to undo the banning of Augusta Westland and its parent company Finmeccanica. And based on the opinion of Attorney General, Modi government and Defense Ministry had ordered a order dated 22nd July 2014 withdrawing the blacklisting of Augusta Westland. This order also I am attaching with the press release. This is the order of 2014, July 2014. And now the new story comes in. And as per that news story, I am not giving the authenticity, but the Italian ambassador in India, as per him, PM Modi and his Italian counterpart discussed Augusta Finmeccanica issue during PM's recent visit to Rome for G20. In this meeting, External Affairs Minister Shri S. Jaishankar ji, NSA Shri Doval Sahab were also present. This is not what I am ratifying. This is what the Italian ambassador in Delhi is saying. Now, as a result of all these meetings, as a result of all these high-level discussion, what had happened? The procurement ban on Augusta Westland was lifted as soon as PM Modi returned from Rome to Delhi. In this regard, we have 5 questions to the Modi government and to the Modi ji himself, because he takes all the decisions. Defense Minister ko to pata bhi nahi hoga ye ban utha hai ki nahi. Nobody knows. External Affairs Minister, what he was doing in that meeting, he might not be aware. So we have 5 questions to be answered by Modi ji. Number 1, what is the secret deal, Modi ji, you had with Italian counterpart? What is that secret deal? We want to know. Because after that discussion on Augusta Westland, when you returned back, you had lifted the ban from the procurement of from the Finmeccanica, which is a holding company of Augusta Westland. What is that secret deal? We want to know. The second question, Modi ji, is this okay to deal with a company that you and your government had called corrupt, bogus, bribe giver? Is this okay? That you are procuring from a company which you yourself called corrupt, your ministers called bogus. Your defense minister called this as a bribe giver. Point number 3. Does it mean, Modi ji, that a fake bogey of corruption created just before 2019 election is being given a quiet burial like what had happened 2 weeks back in 2G spectrum allocation, that Vinod Rai came in public and had made an unconditional apology? Is this similar to that? Point number 4 and the question number 4. What will happen to the investigation which was initiated by the Congress government against Augusta Finmeccanica? उस investigation का क्या होगा? आपने तो clean sheet दे दी. आपने जैसे चीन को clean sheet दी, इसको भी दे दी कि ये कुछ नहीं है, इससे खरीदो माल. And last but not least, what will happen to pending arbitration against Augusta Finmeccanica? Is this going to have a loss to exchequer, Modi ji? Because why this is important? Because Congress-led UPA government recovered total of 2,954 crore rupees from Augusta Westland against a payment of rupees 1620 crore rupees. हमने 2,954 करोड़ रुपया लिया था, 1,620 करोड़ का अगस्ता वेस्टलैंड को भुगतान किया था. उसका क्या होगा, मोदी जी? इन 5 सवालों का जवाब